we've made a few changes to the yard area show page.
Hi, my name is Al Delcy and I'm a software engineer at Octopi. Let's see some new updates.
Our new yard areas index page looks a little different. Some buttons have changed. We can now filter by heap, grid, warehouse, or everything. We can now also search yard areas. And our mobile view even looks a lot cleaner. You can toggle the filters and hide them. You can still filter by yard type. And you can even see that we've indicated reefers by that little snowflake icon. Let's go inside of a yard. One of our most excited updates is our drag and drop. As you can notice, I can take a container and drag it. And there you go. Another feature is also to save container move settings. If I take a container and move it, you can notice that there is a remember my option for next movement checkbox. Once checked, that pop-up will never appear again until I deselect it over here. So let's move a second container, and automatically the container moves without notification. Let's try again. There you go. But if I now remove that option, you will notice that it will ask me again what I want to do. Another cool feature we've introduced is desaturating our container continuation. The first part is saturated and the continuation is less saturated, indicating it is the same container. We've also introduced a table view that allows you to see the yard area's content as a table. We also allow disabling slots. You can do so by going to the cogwheel, and now you can disable certain container slots if they are not available for containers, depending on your yard's configuration. By clicking on the eye, you go back to your regular view, and you can notice that those slots are no longer available for containers to be put in. Now, our next feature requires that we have our color preference write permission turned on. Now, with this feature turned on, you can change the container colors for your yard areas. Let's switch to color by carrier. As you can notice, our MSC and our zones containers are very similar in color. If we scroll down, we can see both our zones and our MSC containers. Let's click on our zones, and now we can change it to a color that doesn't show in our yard area right now. You can even change the saturation or change the luminosity. Let's choose orange. Save. And now all of our zones containers are orange in our yard areas.
Thank you for using Octopi, and we'll see you soon.